Hi, in this video I'm going to be making a cross pendant, and then I'm going to be showing you everything I've worked on for the past couple of weeks. And for the cross pendant I did it using the blacksmithing method. I started by taking square wire, cutting it down to length, then making my markings and cutting straight down the middle. And I cut straight down the middle, and then I did it again on the other side, but I did it 90 degrees to the first cut. I forgot to cut off one of the bits before I opened it up, so I had to do that after. To blacken the piece I had to use an egg, which was a pretty nasty job, but it does work quite well. I then used some 4000 grit sandpaper to take off any of the silver sulfate on the highest parts. And that's it for the cross pendant. Now, I did get a comment on one of my other videos a couple of weeks ago, I think, asking if I'd do a chain for them. It does mean a lot to us, especially where I'm at now, but I'm just not ready for it. I'm going to be selling things online eventually, but because chains are so difficult, I don't want to start with them. So I'm just building up a few different things that I can do before I actually start selling things online. But this is everything I've done for the Christmas market so far. This is everything I've put together the past couple of weeks, which I'm going to be selling at the Christmas markets this year, if they're on. It's taken a lot of work to get together, and I wish I'd have taken me time with it a bit more. But I've done necklaces, bracelets, rings, and I'm buying in lots of earrings. These are snowflake ones, and I'm going to be buying in a few different types as well. And I've only got 2 of them pairs at the minute, but I'll be getting some more in. For the rings, I've been doing them mainly from recycled silver by melting all my scraps down and hammering them out. I did do this one though, I made it just from scrap square wire. And they do take quite a while, so I won't be doing too many more of them. I did do one I started a couple of months ago though. And I detailed it with lines going around it after I saw one at a wedding. And then I'll show you one of the regular recycled ones that I did. I did polish them up, but I didn't take all of the marks out of them from hammering them out, because I wanted it to look like they'd been worked a bit. And I think it comes out quite nice like that, because it's still quite shiny. And I've got 8 rings at the minute, and I'm going to be doing some of my braided wire ones as well. This is a bracelet that I did with an axe, again from just scraps that I had lying around. And I also did lots of the evil eye bracelets, which I've made a video on before, and they look quite good. I've got 4 there at the minute, and I'm going to be selling 3 of them before the Christmas market. And these are all the necklaces. You've seen us do this one. It's the small cross, and for the other 3 I did them a bit bigger. I haven't had the sulphide onto the other ones just yet. I've got this one which doesn't have a chain on it yet, because I don't like how it came out too much, so I might do it on that one just to cover up a bit of the mess. And for all 3 of them I just used twisted wire like I did on the first one for the bail and the jump ring. I also used a different chain on them. For the first one I used a Prince of Wales, and for the other 2 I used a Rolo chain, and then I might put a box chain on the final one. I did 2 ratios of the sizes, and I like the one on the right better, because I think it just looks a lot nicer, but that would be down to preference really. But that's everything I've done. I've still got a lot more to do and a lot more to buy in, so I'm looking forward to it. I don't have too much to do this next week, but I will be quite busy the few weeks after, getting some more stuff put together. But thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you shortly.